I would like to give another example. Patient who is going through chemotherapy, and what happens if they have chemotherapy. I would like to go back to the picture again. Example of lung cancer. You see, lung is an organ with a lot of microcirculations, and people who have lung cancer, they could be a smoker, and they could be exposed to very polluted environment. Therefore, you can see that most of their microcirculation due to acidic body, yes, you can see that all the microcirculation is clogged. Number two, I want to go back to the previous picture again. When your body is acidic, the blood is very sticky. What happens if this patient has a tumor or cancer in the lung and he is going for chemotherapy? Let us look at this. When the blood is sticky, chemotherapy is unable to penetrate to the clogged microcirculation. And I have heard many doctors have complained that patient is not responding to chemotherapy. And this is one of the reasons why lung cancer is very difficult to treat. Actually, is due to blockage of microcirculation. And I have a few patients with lung cancer. I will give them a few products like Morinzi and Codipine with algae and GL powder, which comes in the Mycovita form. Okay, I will make this into a paste. When the patient start to consume this range of products, what will happen to the body? We go back to the previous picture. The stickiness of the blood environment, it will be reversed back to a normal pH, which is 7.35. When your blood environment is normal, it makes the circulation very good, and it can carry the chemotherapy drug to every part of the body. And of course, when this microcirculation is patent, even the chemotherapy drug can easily penetrate from the microcirculation to the site of the cancer. Therefore, we are helping the oncologists to enhance their chemotherapy effectiveness. Most of the patients have better results of the treatment. Of course, at the same time, we are helping the oncology to enhance the effectiveness of the chemotherapy. At the same time, we don't forget, chemotherapy destroys a lot of their bone marrow and other organs. So we have to prevent the side effects of the chemotherapy. And with this, especially during chemotherapy, I would give more GL, and sometimes I add mega dosage like GL powder to their treatment. And of course, with the chemotherapy, the side effects is drastic. So I need to give them Liaman. Liaman is a nutrient that will enhance the gastrointestinal functions. Especially patients after the chemotherapy, you can see that the mouth is so sore. Same thing, the stomach will be sore, and the intestine will be sore, and it will affect their nutrient absorption, especially their poor appetite. So Liaman is the best nutrient to heal their mouth ulcers, to heal their stomach ulcers, and also improve their gastrointestinal function for better absorptions of nutrients. And if they have poor appetite, and normally I will top up the DXN spirulina, which contains most of the nutrients, I would consider spirulina is a complete food for our cancer patients. It is ideal because it is alkaline, it's rich in protein, and most of the minerals, vitamins, and most importantly is the chlorophyll content in our DXN spirulina because it is cultured in Malaysia. We know that chlorophyll, it helps us to rebuild new red blood cells, and that is very important because new red blood cells carry the capacity of the oxygen in the body is being enhanced. And we know that oxygen level in the cancer patient is very important because if your body oxygen level is high, cancer cells cannot survive. And GL, it plays an important part because it contains organic germanium, which will help our body to absorb more oxygen. So therefore you can see that this range of products, we have very good support to our body. Number one, balance the pH in the body, which makes the environment not ideal for the cancer. Number two, improve or open up the blood circulation, and that give the road to the immune cells, and for the immune cell to be able to reach every part of the body to protect us from cancer. And thirdly, the polysaccharides in our mycelium, it contains the nutrients that will activate our immune system. Not only that, increase the immune cells, the NK cells in number, and that indirectly help us to destroy the cancer. So again, I repeat, balance the pH of the body, improve blood circulation, enhance immune system, and increase the oxygen level in the body. These are the basic principles we are able to reverse our body environment not favorable for cancer. Of course, with this range of products, especially the Morinzi and the RZ, which contains tritipene, and it has the ability to stable our emotion, because emotion is also plays an important part to control our body environment to eliminate cancer. Therefore, I would advise patients with cancer, they need to take medical advice, at the same time take this range of DXN products, and most importantly, try to control their emotions, have enough good sleep and rest. Sleep is very important, especially our organs like liver needs time to rest and then to rebuild the immune system. So the best time to go to bed is 10:30 at night, and have a good sleep between 10:30 to 2 in the morning, because this is the period where most of our major organs need rest and to rebuild the cells and organ functions. So this is my experience in especially handling cancer patients. So I would like to thank you and wish you good health and happiness.